Hello traders, petar.jacimovic here. I want to inform you about my website and also what I'm doing in my live trading room. About my website will be probably ready. We'll let you know, but next week I expect that my website will be ready, and that you know, you can enjoy my website, and there will be a lot of free stuffs and a lot of informations about my trading rules and about all different stuffs you can read. You know, different types of strategies, and you know, pretty and all about my services I'm offering, and I will also have the weekly newsletters and so on. I'll let you know about when I actually, but I just want to inform you that my website will be ready probably next week. I want to speak today, for example, I start to trade in my live intraday trading room. I define it basically. I will trade the Ichimoku system, of course, combined with the chart, with the candle formations, you know, it's a regular Fibonacci work as well. But my main focus will be Ichimoku trading. Also, I combine with the market profile. But main focus is actually to scan and trade a Ichimoku, find a good trend. On my session I basically trade from 9 a.m. till 2 p.m. In these 5 hours I want to find a good opportunity, something which is trendy, which can bring me some good profit that I can make in these 5 hours, my five trading hours. I observe about 16 to 20 currencies every morning, and I'm live in the room. You can join by GoToMeeting and be together with other members and enjoy my analysis. And together, you know, my goal is that I help traders to achieve success and to basically, you know, think on the right way. I speak a lot of educational things on my educational subject in my intraday live trading room. So I see the positions. If we see anything hot, then we go into position and then we trade. I also speak about the psychology factors, and then about how the risk control is very important, and keeping the risk at the very lowest point, especially in the day trading, and then on that way grow, have that discipline, and on that way grow account slowly and steady. I want us here to speak. Today entry is basically based on the Ichimoku multi-time frame analysis here. Basically, I found that this was a strong upward trend on the hour and the 4-hour time frame, and you see that price is trading above Kijun Tenkan Sen. For the new traders who are not familiar with Ichimoku, I will have a webinar where I will speak about my way of trading Ichimoku, and you know, and also on my mentorship program, which is 20 days, I also speak a lot of Ichimoku and a lot of and about basic and advanced techniques I'm using in my trading. Also, I speak about the market profile and so on in my my mentorship program, which will be written all about my website. So once the website is ready, you'll see more about and read more about. Basically, I'm a trend trader, and I want to find the momentum and to be in the trend, and that's pretty much discipline I have every single day, every single morning basically. Today, from observing the 20 currencies, so all majors, minors, and some of the crosses, I basically found only Australian Canadian dollar interesting, and also Australian Singapore dollar. I decided to go with Australian Canadian dollar. So Australian Canadian dollar was in a strong upward trend. An hourly also with strong upward trend, lagging lines above. The Ichimoku is so strong here. It's very fat here. Price is trading above Kijun Tenkan Sen. It's above Kijun Sen on hourly, and same things on the 4-hour as well. And I decided to go to trigger, try to find opportunities in the 15 minutes. So I saw that price is actually this cloud supporting basically the price for not going lower. I went to buy position with stop just a few ticks below the cloud, and the market produced me a nice profit here. Today the price actually went about 40 pips. This was a nice entry, risking about, let's say with a spread and some small buffer, it's about 13 pips, 12 to 13 pips stop, and this was a 1-free ratio if you waited for 1-free ratio. So the targets met here. First target was 1-1 ratio, second target was 1-2 ratio, third target was 1-free ratio. So it was pretty good trend trade, and it was very nice. I traded only Australian CAD and took 1-2 ratio. This one risking 13 and took 26. The price actually went even to 1-3 ratio, went about 40 pips. So it was very nice setup based on a short-term trend, short-term momentum, and also trading on the 15 pins on the lower frame. My workstation, when I trade, when I observe chart, looks like this, and I will show you. So if I go Ichimoku here, so actually how my workstation looks like, and this is how my workstation looks like. So I observe to see, is there any trend, any good trend, and then if there is any good trend 4 hour hourly, I just go to see the price action there in position of that hour and 4 hour. If I like that, then I go to lower frames and try to trigger and to try to position myself for the intraday trading and hold position about 3 to 5 hours. More about my technique again, and more about how I'm using the Ichimoku, and more advanced takes are basically covered in the mentorship program. But this is the generally I want to show you my workstation, how it looks like. So when I scan the currencies, basically I watch my scanners here. I watch a lot of currencies, 16 to 20, and then if I see something interesting, there is always something interesting to trade, some potential good entries. You know, on every session there is some good potential entries. At least one currency pair will produce me a potential entry on the market. And once I find something, then I go to more deeply to see that currency and see how the price action perform. So I found Australian CAD, and I jumped to see how it looks like on the price action, and to see actual price action. And I like the price action. I like the position of the cloud and the components of the Ichimoku, Kijun Tenkan Sen, and I like the lagging line and so on. Everything was in very good up mode, and 15 minutes produced me the entry. So this was a nice entry for 1-3 ratio. This will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to learn this system, and if you want to join actually my room, and you can absolutely join for $20 a month subscription. I'm live every trading day from 9 a.m. till 2 p.m. Central Europe time, observing about 20 currencies, trying to find some good opportunity which can produce me some profit in the 3 to 5 hours. Since I'm not trading about that, then the New York session would start, and a lot of things, a lot of liquidity, there is a lot of news there and so on. It's a lot of potential noise. I don't want to be in that risk situation, so I trade basically from 9 a.m. till 2 p.m. I speak a lot about the timing and what's the best hours to trade in the forex market on my intraday trading room, and a lot of things you can learn in intraday trading room. And also, if you're interested to start my mentorship program where I teach you Ichimoku, how I'm trading Ichimoku, I'm using the also profile of Fibonacci work, advanced Fibonacci work, and all of this to benefit to make a better success in the market. My advice is absolutely to join at least intraday trading room and see how it looks like for a $20 a month subscription. You can add me on the Skype. Basically, you can add me on the Skype. I will write my Skype username in the description of the video. You can also write in my email, so you can contact me there and join. For now, I have 12 members in my room. I started this a few months ago. I started this like introducing room. I hope so that I will have more members in the next months and so on. So we start the new year. I'm just working my website. It will be so informative, so very good, and a lot of things will be written there. My real honest writing there about a lot of things about the potential scammers and the fake services that basically will speak a lot about it. It will be subject that I speak that people just want to scam you, sell you some products. They basically don't trade. My point I'm trying to make is that you absolutely have everything already in front of you. Every MT4 platform, basically you have everything here, which is used also by successful and by the traders who trade inside of the institutional traders. So you don't need to search for anything basically, or you don't think that you will find anything special or something holy grail. Basically, the system for like system you can trade any system, you know, entry rules, any system where you know where you exit and entry rules, systems which are based generally and proven by the years. So most of these tools basically on the platform are traded and used by in professional trading and also institutional trading. For example, moving averages are used. Let's say Ichimoku is used a lot in the institutional trading, especially in Japan. This is the system I use for my day trading, including the candle formations and also Fibonacci work if I see anything interesting. Parabolics are also used mostly for take profit and stop loss levels. From oscillators, stochastic is used in professional trading, MACD is used for professional trading, average range is used for professional trading. Volumes not so much on the Forex. Bill Williams, fractals are used, let's say in professional trading. So all of this Fibonacci is used, mostly retracement and expansion levels. GAN, basically GAN grid is most used. All of these you basically have everything is for free. The platform is free. This is absolutely free. So don't let anyone to scam you or sell you some products, call themselves like professionals and institutional traders, because any serious trader, serious person in this business will tell you that basically you have everything in front of you. Everything is for free. You just need education and knowledge about these tools if you want to use them, to know how to use them properly, and that's pretty much that. And get that experience on that. Take the good education. This is why I have my mentorship program, to teach you about all of these basically tools I'm using in my analysis, also including the market profile, which is not showing here, but I show in a lot of previous months. And here, for example, I teach in my mentorship program how to use properly expansions and retracements, and to see the multi-Fibonacci and multi-expansions. How to use also linear regression in trading, and of course how to use the oscillators if you want, and my main thing is absolutely Ichimoku, and teach you from basics to advanced about Ichimoku and how you can implement into the day trade and any type of trade, any type of trader. If you are day trader, which I'm day trader basically, I'm session day trader, I can teach you my way from basics to advanced. Absolutely, you can see how to do them live on intraday trading room. Also, if you're a short-term trader, absolutely you can do the same thing using the Ichimoku candle formation. I use the candle chart here, use also the candle formations if I see any interesting together, and I also plot some Fibonacci work if I see that there is any good interest ratio that we potentially can approach, and so on and so on. So the point is, everything is in front of you. You don't need to pay for system. You don't need to pay for platform. So absolutely is all about you, and to get education on these tools or systems, and then use that into your practice, and you know, get experience on that, and on that way with the proper risk. I will absolutely take one big part of mentorship program about the risk control and money management, because you know, if you don't care about the risk, you will not be profitable and successful trader. The risk as the first place. Even if I day trade, I trade every day. I day trade, but when I day trade, I trade very smallest portion size, which means I'm risking about 0.10% from my account on the day trading positions. So on that way, even if the bad period comes start, I can easily manage that. I will lose maybe 1% or something like that, 1.5 in a very bad month. While the someone who risking, for example, 1% in a day trading, he can lose 15 to 20 or 10 to 15% for that month, which is very hard to carry to back on, and it can be very big trouble. So this is about the risk control. You must know that every system you trade on the Forex basically will, if you know to trade and you understand the system, it can produce you about 60-65% win ratio a year, with about risk reward ratio 1 to 1.5, 1 to versus 2. So that is the point, that's the logic. So you must know that there is no system which can produce 190% or 80%. The best thing you can do is about 65% a year win ratio on the system So it doesn't matter the system. All these used tools and systems can produce you this kind of potential return. But if you know the rules, if you have the knowledge, if you have experience on them, absolutely they can produce you with a good discipline, with a good risk control. You can expect also stable income and stable profits. Everything else is pretty much gambling, and everything else is unprofessional. So just want to alert you about that, and I'll speak more about that in my intraday trading room and my website. This was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Wish you good trading, and see you soon.